Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I was like, I'm gonna put on my extensions. I'm ready because we've got a clothing unboxing video for you guys. So this is a new brand. They haven't even released the clothes to the public yet. I'm like, dang girl, I am so ready. That's so, yes. And the company is called So it is a brand new clothing label called Dang Gurl, and I'm so excited to be able to show you guys some of the stuff. So they sent me some of this stuff. I think it may have got opened in customs or something like that, because when I got the bag of it, it was already like opened. So one of the hoodies is actually already unwrapped, so that's exciting. But yeah, so I got the little tag from them and it says, "Dear Cerise, I hope you love them, from the Dang Gurl team." So just a little bit about the Dang Gurl team. So Dang Gurl was started with a mother and daughter duo, which I think is so cute. So they used to live in Wellington in New Zealand, and then they've moved to Australia, and they live in Brisbane. Her daughter is a bit of a model, so she models off some of the stuff. You can check out the Instagram here. And I'll also link the YouTube down below, because you've got some videos of the runway look. So they did have a lot of the clothes and all these different kinds of models modeled them. And I think it's such a cool idea, because it was people of different sizes, different ethnicities, all just showing off all of this apparel, and it just looked so sick. So I thought that was really cool. So I've linked that video down below if you guys want to check it out, as well as their YouTube channel. So I am so happy and excited and honored that they have welcomed me into their Dang Gurl family, and hopefully you guys can join too by just supporting them and going and giving them a subscribe and a like and a comment, and then buying their stuff when it comes out. Oh my god. Anyway, now on to show you some of the stuff. Now, I haven't actually seen any of this in person except the hoodie, because it's actually opened. They did come in these packaged pink, like beautifully packaged packages. Like the sun's right here. Hey, so blinding. And then another wee package here. But my hoodie was already open, so I'm so excited to see this. So I've tried not to look at it. I've tried so badly to not look at it. So I am so excited. She gave me some big ones, because this girl's thick with 3 C's. So this is the hoodie here. So it's got the label here, so the Dang Gurl label, Dang Gurl Apparel. And then down the sides it says Dang Gurl. It's a beautiful, beautiful baby pink. You guys know I'm all about the pink. So let's try it on. I am going to die. This is beautiful. Look at it. So it says Dang Gurl up the sides here. And this is the hoodie, and it's so cute. Not to mention that it goes amazingly with my hair. This is like the perfect pink. I'm like, look, and it's got its hood. I think it's so cute, and it fits me as well. So that is it on the body as well, and it's got this nice pocket in the front. It's a very, very beautifully fleeced material. It's so ridiculously comfy. I'm so happy. I'm wearing the extra large, and it is so cute. It'd be so cute for winter. At the moment it's sunny, as you can see by the sun, but this is so cute. Ooh. This is just such a cute hoodie, like just the detail on it, it's so cute. I love it so much. It's so snuggly. Okay, so I'm going to open the next thing, which I think is a cap and a singlet. So she didn't give me a fair idea of what was in here, but it's like Christmas, opening this up. So I'm so excited. I have so many plans for this specifically. So this is the Dang Gurl Apparel hat. So that is it there. So it's got a beautiful, like, purple, what do you call it? Oh, I'm like, yes, it fits me. I cannot wear hats to save my life. They just don't look good on me. So I'm like, yeah, I'm like, I just want to bring this, like, thug realness in here. Kind of like, yes. What do you guys reckon? Do you guys reckon I look cute in this hat? Dang Gurl Apparel in this hat? I actually really do like this hat. So I'm feeling it. Feeling this hat. And like, I could just even do it like this. Like, how do those people do it where it looks nice that they've got a hat on? I need like, yeah, that's it. Yeah, I need like some kind of like bangs or something. Yeah. Feeling so. Okay, so now that we've got our hat on to the next item, which is, I'm pretty sure it's an exercise top. So, oh my god, this is gonna fit me. That's so exciting. Okay, so it says, work it, own it, kill it. Yes, that is amazing. And then that is the back with the logo there. So it actually matches the hat. So I'm just going to quickly put this on. This is like pretty much a dress. Like, it is so long. The armholes are quite big, but I'm not that mad at that. I'm like, ooh. And it matches the hat too, so I'm like, yes. It's my matching like aesthetic. Let me just throw my hair over my shoulder. There we go. There we go. There's a look. There's a look. So this is how it goes down the bottom. So see how it is quite a long one. It's quite tight fitting, but still a cute top to work out in, or to just kind of walk around the house, that kind of thing. I think it's a really cute ensemble together. I think it's really cute, and how it's like work it, own it, kill it. That is such a cool message. Alrighty, so after my workout top and my hat, just pretty much had like a mini photo shoot with myself, which is pretty much a workout, so halfway there. Anyway, go on to the next one. So this looks like a little package. I'm just so excited for these. Thank you so much, the team at Gurl. I'm so excited. Like, I've made a mess of my floor right now. What is this? I see white. Okay, so this is an extra large. Good, good. That seems like something up my alley that will fit. Oh my god, this is stunning. Look at this. Look at the pattern of this with the rose and then with the background on there. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Check that out. You guys know what it means now. This is the cutest top ever. I'm getting some serious like Antonia Marquis vibes right now with the whole rose. Like, oh, this is so cute. And then this is the back here. Like, ignore my ferrules. So yeah, this is a bit of a crop top. So I'm going to show you guys a bit down lower. So this is it here. So it does stop a little bit here. Excuse my like my belly, but it does stop there. So it would be really cute with like, say, high-waisted jeans if you had them, or maybe like some other high-waisted pants or something like that. I think this is really cute how it's got the label on the front. It's red. It's something different from the pink and black kind of themes. I like that it's a touch of color, and it's white too, because I really like white and roses. So I'm just like, ooh. I got way into taking some of those photos. Oh my god. So there's one more item, and I'm so afraid that this isn't gonna fit me. Everything's fit me so far. I'm so afraid this thing's not gonna fit me and it's gonna clash with my hair. It is a maroon dress. I'm so excited though. This is the last item. I wish this would never end. I'm like, I want so many more of the things. This isn't the entire collection, by the way. There is so much more stuff. I am just so excited. Anyway, let me pull out this t-shirt dress, and holy hell, look at this. It is so beautiful. It's got the gold detailing, and then on the back it has a rose, and again it is the same detail as this shirt here, but just in gold. This is so pretty. It kind of reminds me of like a tattoo convention or things like that, like something like that. So I'm just gonna try this on and be right back. It fits. And it looks so good. It kind of makes my boobs look really good. Like, look at this. So this is the back on, and it's so pretty. It's a little tight, but that's okay, and I'll show you how low it goes down. So it goes down that low, so it's just like a nice kind of bodycon dress. It's really cute. So yeah, that was all of the Gurl Apparel that I got sent, and I think it is so amazing. She doesn't quite have the prices set up yet, but so thank you so much. I'm so grateful. I really love how this makes me look. This gives me a lot of body confidence. Like, I really struggle to find clothes that look nice on me, that go well with my body, that kind of thing, go well with my hair. My hair is such a unique color. I can't believe this maroon is going with my hair. I'm so surprised, but so many of these clothes, like, I love every single one of them. That's not just because you guys sent this to me. This is because they just made me feel so amazing. Like, I thought I looked nice. Like, you guys can hate all you want and be like, oh my god, you look disgusting, but I'm like, I think that I looked really good and I'm really happy with them. And thank you so much, Dan Gurl. I cannot thank you guys enough. You guys go check out their Instagram, go check out their freaking YouTubes, everything. Go check out that video as well that I've linked down below. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. I do have some photo shoots planned for these, but you'll just see them coming up. And I guess until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!